Disclaimer: this video is created for educational and informational purposes only. It should not be taken as financial, investment, or legal advice. Always do your own research or consult a qualified financial professional before making decisions related to money, investments, or financial planning. Free credit card. It sounds perfect, doesn't it? No annual fees, instant approval, cashback, and points for every dollar you spend. The ads make it sound like you'd be losing money not to get one. But here's the truth. There's no such thing as a free credit card. Behind every shiny offer, there's a system designed to make money, not from fees, but from you. Let's unpack how the free in free credit cards actually works, and what it's really costing you. When a bank gives you a credit card, it's not doing it out of generosity. It's making a long-term bet. You'll swipe, you'll spend, and at some point, you might not pay it all back on time. That's when the bank wins. Because while the card might not charge an annual fee, it's built around something far more powerful: interest. Here's the thing most people don't realize. The average credit card interest rate sits between 18% and 25%. That's not just high. It's higher than most personal loans, car loans, and even some investment returns. If you carry a balance of $1,000 and only pay the minimum, you could be giving your bank hundreds of dollars in interest alone. And guess what? That's the plan. Free credit cards aren't designed to make money from the responsible spender who pays in full. They're designed for the majority, the millions who carry a balance from month to month. But that's only the beginning. Even if you do pay off your card every month, you're still valuable, because every time you swipe, the bank earns what's called an interchange fee. It's a small percentage, usually around 1% to 3%, that merchants pay every time you use your card. So when you buy a $1,000 laptop, the bank might make $30 instantly. From the store, not from you. Multiply that by millions of transactions every day, and suddenly, free credit cards become a billion-dollar machine. And then come the rewards programs. Cashback, miles, points, discounts. They sound like gifts, but they're really psychological tools. When you earn points, you feel like you're gaining something, even when you're spending more to get it. That's why research shows people spend up to 20% more when paying with a credit card versus cash. You're not just earning points, you're spending for the illusion of earning. Now let's talk about behavioral design. Credit cards are built to keep you hooked. The slick metal finish, the premium sound when it taps, the app notifications, all engineered to trigger dopamine. You feel in control, powerful, rewarded. But every swipe brings you closer to the system's real profit source, your balance. And even if you think you're immune, the system still wins in other ways. Every time you use your card, your spending data is recorded. What you buy, where you go, and how often you pay. That information is worth gold. Banks and fintech companies use it to profile you, predict your behavior, and tailor offers that make you spend more. So even if you never pay a cent in interest, your data is still part of the profit machine. Now, here's where it gets even trickier. Free cards often come with hidden traps: late payment fees, foreign transaction fees, cash advance fees, balance transfer charges, and sometimes those 0% promotional offers expire quietly, flipping into high interest overnight. The terms are always there, in tiny print, buried in pages of legal text. But few people ever read them. Think about it. If 100 people sign up for a free card and only 10 fall into the interest trap, the bank still wins massively. That's the business model. It doesn't need everyone to slip up, just enough people to keep the engine running. But here's the clever part. Credit card companies need to maintain the illusion of fairness. That's why they reward the responsible users too. Cashback, perks, travel insurance. to make everyone feel like they're winning. But those rewards are paid for by the people who can't pay in full. Your free flight or 2% cashback. It's funded by someone else's 25% interest. It's a system built on balance, or rather, imbalance. A few people win small, while many lose big. And yet, credit cards themselves aren't evil. They're powerful tools, when used right. The problem isn't the plastic, it's the psychology. We treat credit like free money. We confuse available balance with money I actually have. We use credit to feel comfortable in the present, even if it costs our future. So how do you protect yourself? Start with awareness. Never mistake no annual fee for no cost. If you use credit, use it as a tool, not a lifeline. Pay your balance in full, always. And if you can't, stop using the card until you can. Next, understand your triggers. Are you using your card for points, convenience, or emotions? If you're swiping to feel better, you're paying with more than money. You're paying with peace of mind. Then use rewards to your advantage, but only if you'd spend that money anyway. If you're buying things just to earn cashback or miles, the card's already won. And finally, remember this: free is never truly free. In finance, every benefit comes with a trade-off: time, data, discipline, or debt. The only question is whether you're the one making the profit or providing it. So next time you see a shiny new card promising no fees and free perks, ask yourself, if it's really free, who's paying for it? Tell us in the comments. Do you use a free credit card? And do you actually pay it off each month? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We post new videos every day to make money finally make sense.